Cial is commissioning India's first business jet terminal to facilitate affordable chartered flying. This first chartered gateway is also the biggest business jet terminal in the country that has been built in the area of 40,000 square feet. The state-of-the-art terminal will accommodate all jet operations, both international as well as domestic, and has a lot more in store. A safe house facility for security-exempted dignitaries, 5 opulent lounges, a business center, a duty-free shop, a foreign exchange counter, and high-end video conferencing room. Quality being Cial's hallmark ever since its inception, this gateway will deliver unparalleled professional terminal management and passenger handling. The world will witness convenience at its finest at this terminal, and access from car door to aircraft door in 2 minutes, which is by far the shortest distance ever to be implemented in the country. And all this to enable the concept of flying elegantly at cost-effectiveness a reality. Cial is here to deliver to you an elegant yet affordable flying experience at the newly launched business jet terminal for the very first time in India. Cial proudly welcomes you all to our new business jet terminal.